Turn left here. Turn left here. Turn left here.
在这里右转。
Turn right here. Turn right here. Turn right here.
请问这个地址怎么走？
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to this address? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to this address? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to this address?
你知道这是哪儿吗？
Do you know where this is? Do you know where this is? Do you know where this is?
不好意思，我不知道。
Sorry, I don't know. Sorry, I don't know. Sorry, I don't know.
我在找这个地址。
I am looking for this address. I am looking for this address. I am looking for this address.
这个座位在哪儿？
Where is the seat? Where is the seat? Where is the seat?
我想要一个靠窗的座位。
I would like a window seat. I would like a window seat. I would like a window seat.
我不要靠过道的座位。
I don't want an aisle seat. I don't want an aisle seat. I don't want an aisle seat.
我可以和您换一下座位吗？
May I change seats with you?